Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Xiaomi 14T Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and status bar. So do not go and find the battery section, simply enter this one. And now we have to localize this option, battery indicator. Let's tap on it, and as you can see, currently I've got the percentage displayed inside the battery icon. Probably you've got this one, so only graphical option. Oh, sorry. We have to tap on the specific option we would like to use. So you can also display the percentage next to the battery icon, and this option is the most visible. So it's totally up to you which option you prefer to use. I think I prefer this one. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.